Forget Hanoi's bustle. Haiphong is different, raw, real. This city is not just another dot on the map, it's a living, breathing entity. The harbor is a symphony of activity, with cargo ships and fishing boats dancing to the rhythm of the waves. The air is thick with the scent of the sea and the promise of adventure. This is Vietnam's third largest city, a sprawling urban landscape that stretches as far as the eye can see. From above, you can see the intricate web of streets and alleys, each one teeming with life and stories waiting to be told. A gritty, industrial port, it's the lifeblood of the North. Here, the economy pulses with the loading and unloading of goods, the clanging of metal and the hum of machinery. It's a place where hard work and determination are etched into every surface. Smells like diesel and fish sauce. I love it. Forget tourist traps. This is the real Vietnam, where the air is filled with the aroma of fresh seafood and the chatter of vendors. The fish market is a sensory overload, a chaotic yet harmonious blend of sights, sounds, and smells. Here, it's all about the energy. The streets are alive with the hustle and bustle of daily life. People move with purpose, their faces reflecting the spirit of a city that never stops. Ships unload, horns blare, and motorbikes weave through chaotic streets. The traffic is a dance of organized chaos, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. Every corner turned reveals a new scene, a new story. Street vendors hawk steaming bowls of pho. The aroma of broth and spices fills the air, inviting you to take a seat and savor the flavors of the city. Each bowl is a masterpiece, a reflection of the culinary heritage of Haiphong. This is a city that never sleeps. As the sun sets, the streets come alive with neon lights and the sounds of nightlife. Bars, clubs, and street performances keep the energy high, making every night an adventure. This isn't a city that's easy to define, it's a mosaic of experiences, each one adding a unique piece to the puzzle. From the bustling markets to the quiet temples, Haiphong is a city of endless discovery. It's a mix of old and new, grit and grace. The skyline is a juxtaposition of ancient temples and modern skyscrapers, each telling a story of the city's evolution. It's a place where history and progress walk hand in hand. French colonial architecture crumbles next to modern skyscrapers. The old buildings, with their faded facades and intricate details, stand as a reminder of the city's past, while the new structures symbolize its future. Temples stand guard over bustling markets. These sacred spaces offer a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos, a place to reflect and find peace. The markets, on the other hand, are a whirlwind of activity, a testament to the city's vibrant culture. It's a city of contrasts, full of surprises. Come on, let's explore. Every street, every corner holds a new discovery, a new adventure. Haiphong is a city that invites you to dive in, to experience its heartbeat, and to become a part of its story. Haiphong has a long, storied past. Centuries ago, it was a sleepy fishing village, the Red River Delta, fertile ground. Then came the French. They saw potential, a gateway to the Tonkin region. They built a city, grand boulevards, elegant villas, a bustling port shipping rice and rubber. The city thrived, but it wasn't all smooth sailing. Wars, revolutions, Haiphong endured. Today the city bears the scars of its past, but it also wears them as badges of honor, a testament to the resilience of its people. Haiphong is a city that wears its heart on its sleeve. It's a city of contrasts, where ancient temples sit side by side with modern shopping malls. But beneath the surface, there's a deep sense of history and tradition. The people here are proud of their city. They work hard, they play hard, and they know how to enjoy life. They're friendly, welcoming, and always ready to share a laugh. You can feel the pulse of the city everywhere you go. In the lively markets, the smoky street food stalls, and the crowded cafes. It's a city that gets under your skin. Haiphong's architecture is a fascinating blend. French colonial mansions, faded grandeur, intricate pagodas, centuries old. It's a visual feast. Take a stroll down Dien Bien Phu Street, grand old buildings, balconies overlooking the chaos below. Imagine wealthy merchants sipping coffee. Don't miss the Grand Theater, a masterpiece of colonial design, or the Hang Ken Communal House, a tribute to Vietnamese craftsmanship. Look for the intricate carvings. It's a city that rewards exploration. Get lost in the back streets, discover hidden courtyards. You never know what you'll find. Section 5. The port, a gateway to the world. The port is the heart of Haiphong. It's a hive of activity. Giant cranes unload cargo. Fishing boats return with the day's catch. The air is thick with the smell of salt, diesel, and fish. It's intoxicating. Walk along the docks, watch the workers, feel the energy. This isn't just a port, it's a lifeline, connecting Vietnam to the world. It's the pulse of the city, beating strong. Section 6. A culinary journey, savoring the flavors of Haiphong. This city is a hidden gem for food lovers, offering a unique blend of traditional Vietnamese cuisine with a touch of local flair. Hungry? You've come to the right place. Haiphong streets are lined with food stalls and markets that are a feast for the senses. Haiphong's food scene is a knockout punch. Fresh, flavorful, and fiery. The markets are brimming with vibrant colors, aromatic spices, and the freshest produce you can find. Start with the bánh de quaint, a crab noodle soup that is a local favorite. This dish is a perfect introduction to the rich culinary traditions of Haiphong. The broth is rich and savory, simmered for hours to extract the deep flavors of the sea, topped with crispy rice noodles, fresh herbs, and chunks of crab meat. Heaven in a bowl. The combination of textures and flavors is simply divine. Don't miss the seafood, it's the star of the show. Haiphong is renowned for its seafood, and for good reason. Grilled squid, clams steamed in ginger and lemongrass, and the fish. Each dish is prepared with care and attention to detail, ensuring a memorable dining experience. So fresh it practically jumps off the plate. The seafood here is caught daily, ensuring that every bite is bursting with flavor. Wash it all down with Bia Hoi, the local draft beer. This light and refreshing beer is the perfect accompaniment to Haiphong's bold and spicy dishes. Cheap, cheerful, and the perfect way to end a day of exploring. As the sun sets, the markets come alive with locals and tourists alike, all enjoying the vibrant food scene that Haiphong has to offer. From the bustling markets to the street-side beer stalls, every corner of this city is a culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. Section 7. A city of festivals, celebrating life, culture, and tradition. Life in Haiphong is a celebration. Every corner of the city pulses with energy, and the air is always filled with the sounds of laughter and music. And nothing says celebration like a good festival. Festivals are the heartbeat of Haiphong, bringing together people from all walks of life to share in the joy and traditions that define this vibrant city. The city comes alive with color, music, and dance. Streets are adorned with vibrant decorations, and performers in traditional attire captivate audiences with their graceful movements and rhythmic beats. One of the biggest is the Do Sun Buffalo Fighting Festival. This event draws crowds from near and far, eager to witness the thrilling spectacle. A spectacle not for the faint of heart. The excitement in the air is palpable as the powerful buffaloes clash in a display of raw strength and determination. It's a tradition dating back centuries. Passed down through generations, this festival is a testament to the enduring spirit and cultural heritage of Haiphong. A display of strength, courage, and, well, buffaloes. The event is not just about the competition, it's a celebration of the bond between the people and their animals. Then there's the Tet Festival, Vietnamese New Year. Families gather. This is the most important celebration in Vietnamese culture, marking the arrival of spring and the beginning of a new year. Offerings are made at temples. Homes are cleaned and decorated with flowers and red banners to invite good fortune. The streets are filled with the scent of incense and the sound of firecrackers. These traditions are believed to ward off evil spirits and bring prosperity. It's a magical time to be in Haiphong. The city is transformed into a wonderland of lights and festivities. Come join the party, experience the warmth and hospitality of the people, and immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry that makes Haiphong truly unique. Section 8. The Rhythm of Daily Life. A glimpse into the everyday. What's it like to live in Haiphong? It's a city that wakes up early. The streets come alive with the sounds of motorbikes, street vendors, and the smell of coffee. Life here is lived in the streets. Families gather for breakfast on tiny plastic stools. Old men sip tea and play Chinese chess. Kids kick a soccer ball around. The pace is frenetic, but there's a certain charm to it. It's a city that never stops moving, but it also knows how to slow down and savor the moment. Section 9. The people warm, welcoming, and full of life. The people of Haiphong are what make this city so special. They are some of the warmest, friendliest people you'll ever meet. They're proud of their city, and they're always happy to share it with visitors. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation. You might just make a new friend for life. The spirit of the people is infectious. They're resilient, resourceful, and always up for a challenge. They're the heart and soul of this incredible city. Section 10, Beyond the City Limits, Exploring the Enchanting Outskirts. If you have time, venture beyond the city limits. Discover Cat Ba Island, a jewel in the Gulf of Tonkin. Limestone cliffs rise out of emerald waters, hidden beaches beckon. Explore Lan Ha Bay, it's just as stunning as Haiphong Bay but without the crowds. Kayak through the karst islands. Go swimming in hidden lagoons, it's paradise found. Back on land, visit the ancient Buddhist temples of the Perfume Pagoda, a place of pilgrimage for centuries. The journey is an adventure in itself. Section 11, Farewell to Haiphong, a city that stays with you. Leaving Haiphong is never easy. It's a city that gets under your skin. The sights, the sounds, the smells, it's an assault on the senses. And you'll love every minute of it. But more than anything, it's the people you'll remember, their warmth, their humor, their zest for life. They'll stay with you long after you've left. So come, experience the real Vietnam. Get lost.